Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone.
Today we have a really fun topic for you.
Yes, and super useful too, especially if you're learning English for work.
So today we're going to talk about your first day at a new job.
Oh, I remember my first day. I was so nervous.
Same. It's scary, right? You don't know anyone. You don't know where anything is.
You don't even know where the bathroom is.
Exactly. So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly what to say, how to introduce yourself, how to greet people, how to talk about your job title, all of that.
And we'll keep it simple. Easy English, slow and clear, just for you.
Okay, let's start the conversation. Ready, Emma?
Ready?
Okay, here we go. First day. I can do this.
Oh, hey, good morning. Are you new here?
Oh, hi, yes, I am. Today is actually my first day.
Oh, wow, welcome. That's exciting. I'm Emma Collins. I work in the marketing department.
Hi, Emma, nice to meet you. I'm Daniel Du. I just joined the sales team.
Oh, sales. That's great. We work pretty closely with the sales team sometimes.
Oh, really? That's good to know. Is this the break room?
Yes, this is the break room. Coffee machine is right there. There's tea too if you prefer.
Oh, perfect. I definitely need coffee this morning.
First day nerves?
Is it that obvious?
Just a little, but don't worry. Everyone feels that way on day one. I remember my first day here. I walked into the wrong meeting room.
No way.
Yes. I sat down at the table. There were like 10 people staring at me, and I had no idea who they were.
Oh no. What did you do?
I just said, "Wrong room?" And one guy nodded. So I just stood up and walked out as fast as I could.
That's actually really funny, but also terrible.
So terrible, but now I laugh about it. So trust me, whatever happens today, it gets better.
That actually makes me feel a lot better. Thank you.
Of course. So, Daniel, what exactly will you be doing on the sales team? Like, what's your role?
So my title is Sales Associate. I'll be helping clients, answering questions about our products, and I'll be doing some calls too.
Oh, nice. So you'll be talking to customers directly?
Yes, mostly on the phone, and maybe some emails. I'm a little nervous about the calls, honestly.
Why? You seem pretty friendly to me.
Well, talking to you is easy, but talking to a customer on the phone is different, you know?
That's true, but honestly, you'll get used to it fast. The first few calls feel weird, but then it just becomes normal.
Have you ever done customer calls?
A few times, yes. When I started, I was in a different role. I was a marketing coordinator. That was my first job title here.
Oh, interesting. And now?
Now I'm a senior marketing specialist. It took a few years, but I got there.
That's really cool, Emma. How long have you been here?
Almost 4 years now. Time goes fast.
4 years, wow. So you know this place really well.
Pretty well, yes. I can give you the important tips, like the coffee on the second floor, much better than this one.
Wait, really?
Much better, stronger, and there's usually donuts up there on Mondays.
Okay, that is very important information.
I know, you're welcome. So, Daniel, where are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm from Ohio originally, Columbus, Ohio, but I moved here about 2 years ago.
Oh, Columbus. I've been there once, for a conference.
Really? What did you think?
It was nice. The food was really good, I remember that.
Yes, the food scene there is amazing. I miss it sometimes.
Emma. Aw, well, hopefully you like it here. This city has good food too, once you explore a little.
That's good to hear. I'm still learning where everything is, honestly.
How long have you lived here again?
2 years. But I moved here for my last job, and I was so busy that I didn't really explore much.
That happens. You get into a routine and you forget to actually enjoy where you live.
Exactly. But I'm hoping this job gives me a better balance, a better schedule.
What was your last job like?
Honestly, very stressful, long hours, not much support from the managers.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay, I learned a lot, but I knew I needed a change, so here I am.
Well, I think you made a good choice. This company is pretty good. The people are nice. The managers actually listen to you.
That already sounds like a huge difference.
You'll see. Did you meet your manager yet, Sarah?
Not yet. I have a meeting with her at 9:30.
Oh, Sarah is great. Very clear, very organized. She'll explain everything step by step.
That sounds perfect. I like knowing what's expected of me.
She's good at that. She'll probably go over your goals, your schedule, maybe introduce you to the rest of the sales team.
Yeah, she mentioned a team meeting this afternoon too.
Oh, perfect. That's when you'll meet everyone. You'll be fine, Daniel. Just be yourself.
Be myself. Right, I can do that. I think.
You're already doing it. You're friendly. You're easy to talk to. People will like you.
Thank you, Emma. Seriously, this conversation has really helped me relax.
That's what the break room is for.
Can I ask you something kind of random?
Sure.
When you introduce yourself at work, like to a new client or a new colleague, what do you usually say? Like, what's your go-to line?
Good question. I usually say something like, "Hi, I'm Emma Collins. I'm a senior marketing specialist here. It's great to meet you." And then I smile and wait for them to respond.
Simple, clean. I like that.
Yeah, you don't want to say too much at first. Just your name, your role, and something warm.
What about if you're introducing yourself in a group, like a team meeting?
Oh, that's a little different. In a group, I usually add one personal thing, like, "Hi everyone, I'm Emma. I work in marketing. I love coffee and I've been here for 4 years." Something small and human.
Oh, that's smart. It makes you more relatable.
Exactly. People remember you better when you add a small detail, something friendly.
Okay, so maybe I'll say, "Hi, I'm Daniel Dew. I'm a new sales associate. I just moved here from Ohio and I'm really excited to be part of the team."
Yes, that's perfect. That's really good, Daniel.
You think?
I do. It's warm, it's clear, and the Ohio part gives people something to ask you about.
Right, it's a conversation starter.
Exactly. Always give people something to connect with. That's the secret.
Okay, that is genuinely great advice.
4 years of experience?
Okay, everyone, so that was our conversation about introducing yourself at work. Did you enjoy it?
We hope so. And we hope it felt real, because that's exactly how people talk in offices every day.
Let's go over some of the key phrases we used. Ready, Emma?
Ready.
Okay, first one. When you meet someone new, you can say,
"Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you." Simple, warm, perfect for any situation.
then you say your job title, like,
"I work in the marketing department," or "I'm a sales associate," or even simpler, "I work in sales."
and if you want to make a connection, add one small personal detail, like,
"I just moved here from Ohio," or "I've been here for 4 years." Something easy and friendly.
and don't forget, it's okay to be nervous on your first day.
Everyone is nervous. It's completely normal.
The most important thing is to smile, be yourself, and just start talking.
And maybe find the break room first.
Yes, definitely find the break room first.
Thank you so much for watching today, everyone.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, are you nervous about speaking English at work? We'd love to hear from you.
Subscribe if you haven't already. We post new conversations every week.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.